Hello everyone, I'm Aisha, your host for AI Tech Vision. If you are a student, researcher, or content creator, then today's video is going to save you a lot of time. Because in this video, I'll show you how to turn NotebookLM into an automated research questionnaire generator in just a few simple steps. No complicated writing, no manual question building, just smart AI automation. By the end of this video, you will learn how to convert any topic into a structured questionnaire, automatically generate research questions using NotebookLM, create surveys for academic or personal research, save hours of manual work using AI. So make sure you watch till the end. Alright, so let's start with step 1. First, go ahead and open NotebookLM in your browser. Just type it in, open the site, and log in if needed. Okay, once you're inside, you'll see an option that says Create New Notebook. Click on that. Now give your notebook a clear title, something like, What's your actual project topic? Perfect. This notebook will basically be a workspace where the AI reads your material and helps you turn it into structured research questions automatically. Alright, now moving on to step 2. Click on Add Source. Okay, this is where things get really powerful. You can upload different types of content like NotebookLM can process various sources to create automated research questionnaires. You can upload PDFs, text or research articles, or even just paste a simple topic description. This makes research efficient and insightful. For example, if your topic is student learning habits, you can just paste some notes or upload a related document. Perfect. Once you add your sources, NotebookLM will go through everything and start understanding your topic deeply so it can generate much more accurate and relevant research questions for you. Alright, now comes the magic step. Go to the chat box in NotebookLM and type this prompt. Create a structured research questionnaire based on this topic. Include demographic questions, Likert scale questions, and open-ended questions. Okay, once you've typed it, just hit enter. Within a few seconds, NotebookLM will generate everything for you, like a section-wise questionnaire, clear and relevant research questions, a clean, well-structured survey format. Perfect. It basically takes all your notes and turns them into a complete research tool. Alright, now step 4, let's customize it. So once your questionnaire is generated, you can easily refine it by giving simple instructions like make it simpler for students, add more open-ended questions, convert into Google Forms style. Okay, the best part is you don't need to rewrite anything yourself. Just type what you want and NotebookLM will instantly adjust the questionnaire for you. Perfect. This is where it really feels like AI is working as your personal research assistant, helping you shape everything exactly the way you need. Alright, now step 5, export and use. Once your questionnaire is ready, you're basically good to go. So, open Google Forms and create a new form. You can simply copy the questions and paste them into Google Forms to quickly create a live survey. If you're working on a research project, you can directly use this questionnaire in your academic work. You can also share it with participants through a form link or document, depending on your method. And if you're not using it right away, just save it for future projects, it'll still be useful later. Perfect. And just like that, your complete research questionnaire is ready in just a few minutes. NotebookLM is a fast, simple, and fully AI-powered tool. Alright, so that's how you can use NotebookLM to create automated research questionnaires easily and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, Subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and comment what topic you want next. Perfect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.